Hey there, bug enthusiasts! Welcome back to Bugs, Buzz, and Beyond. Today we're exploring a hidden world right beneath our feet. Ever wonder what happens to the leaves that fall each autumn, or to plants and animals after they die? They don't just disappear. There's an entire team of recyclers working behind the scenes to break things down and give life back to the earth. And some of the hardest workers are beetles. So join us as we dive into the fascinating lives of these natural recyclers and discover how they play an essential role in maintaining healthy ecosystems. There are over 400,000 species of beetles worldwide, making them the most diverse group of organisms on the planet. Some of these beetles are decomposers, which means they specialize in breaking down organic matter. Everything from plant debris and animal droppings to the remains of other insects. Through this breakdown, beetles help to speed up the process of decomposition, which turns dead matter into nutrients that enrich the soil. Imagine a world where nothing ever decayed or decomposed. Dead leaves, animal remains, and other organic material would pile up quickly. Thanks to decomposers like beetles, nature is kept clean and thriving. First up, let's talk about one of the most impressive beetle recyclers, the dung beetle. Now, dung beetles might not seem glamorous, but they're essential for waste management in nature. These beetles come in three main types: rollers, who roll dung into balls to transport it; tunnelers, who bury dung directly where they find it; and dwellers, who live right inside the dung piles. Why all this effort over a pile of waste? Dung beetles are not only feeding themselves, but also setting up a safe food supply for their young. Some species even bury dung balls underground to provide a protected food source where they can lay their eggs. When the young hatch, they have a fresh supply of food. In a single night, dung beetles can move dung that weighs as much as an average human. Their work is far from just gross. It's vital for the health of ecosystems. By removing animal waste, dung beetles reduce the presence of parasites and disease, improving the overall health of the environment. The buried dung also nourishes the soil, making it fertile and helping plants to grow. This, in turn, supports grazing animals and even improves crop yields in agricultural areas. Next, let's meet the carrion beetles, also known as burying beetles. These beetles specialize in decomposing dead animals, or carrion. But instead of leaving these carcasses exposed, carrion beetles actually bury them underground. They'll dig beneath a small carcass, covering it with soil to keep it hidden from other scavengers. After that, they lay their eggs nearby, so when their young hatch, they can safely feed on the remains. This process not only removes potential sources of disease and odor, but it also enriches the soil around the burial site. By breaking down dead animals, carrion beetles contribute to nutrient recycling, turning what would otherwise be a rotting carcass into a new source of life for the surrounding plants. It's a natural way of cleansing the environment and ensuring that nothing goes to waste. But beetles don't just handle animal waste. Some specialize in breaking down plant matter too. Leaf beetles, for instance, feed on leaves, twigs, and other dead plant parts. They might seem small, but when you consider how many leaf beetles are out there, you start to see their impact on the environment. By feeding on decaying plants, Leaf beetles kickstart the decomposition process, which allows fungi, bacteria, and other organisms to step in and further break down the material. This process is vital for keeping forests and grasslands healthy. As leaf beetles and other decomposers do their work, they create nutrient-rich soil, which supports plant growth. These nutrients become a natural fertilizer, giving trees and plants the resources they need to thrive and, ultimately, sustain other wildlife. Rove beetles, a highly adaptable family of beetles, play a unique role in the recycling process. These beetles are versatile feeders. They consume decaying plants, dead animals, and even other insects. With a flexible diet, rove beetles serve as a multi-purpose cleanup crew that can help break down nearly any kind of organic material in their environment. Their ability to consume a wide variety of organic matter makes them one of the most effective decomposers. Rove beetles contribute to maintaining a clean and balanced environment, working alongside other beetles to keep waste from accumulating. Their adaptability allows them to thrive in various habitats, from forests to gardens, making them one of nature's most efficient recyclers. All of these recycling actions by beetles contribute to soil enrichment. As organic material decomposes, it releases nitrogen, phosphorus, and other nutrients into the ground. These nutrients are then absorbed by plant roots, leading to healthier plants and trees. In forests, this enrichment is essential for maintaining a balanced ecosystem, while in agricultural areas, it helps improve crop growth. Without beetles, organic material would build up and soil health would suffer. The work these insects do is crucial for sustaining plant life and, in turn, supporting all the animals that depend on those plants. Beetles may not seem like superheroes, but in the soil, they play a critical role in the circle of life. Beetles may be small, but their contributions to our environment are enormous. They help control waste, prevent the spread of disease, enrich the soil, and keep ecosystems balanced. When we take care of the land, protect habitats, and reduce pesticide use, we're helping these vital recyclers continue their work. Next time you see a beetle, remember that it might just be one of nature's unsung heroes, working hard to keep our world clean and green. Thanks for joining us today on Bugs, Buzz, and Beyond. Beetles may not get the same spotlight as other animals, but their impact on the world around us is undeniable. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fascinating insect tales, and let us know in the comments if you're inspired to create a beetle-friendly garden of your own. Until next time, keep buzzing and exploring the amazing world of bugs.